Welcome to our guide on the latest advancements in robotic lawnmowers. If you're tired of spending your weekends pushing a mower around, these cutting-edge devices might just be the perfect solution. Today, we're exploring 5 top-rated models that promise to make lawn care effortless and efficient. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more updates. First on our list is the Segway Navimow i105N. This compact yet powerful robotic lawnmower is designed for smaller yards, covering up to 1/8 acre. It stands out with its RTK+Vision technology, providing centimeter-level accuracy and perfect navigation even in complex garden layouts. Say goodbye to perimeter wires. The Navimow i105N uses a wire-free setup with AI-assisted mapping. Simply use your smartphone to create virtual boundaries and let the mower handle the rest. It's equipped with a 140 degrees field of view camera that detects over 20 types of obstacles, ensuring a smooth mowing experience. Control your mower through the Navimow app. You can set different schedules for up to 12 zones, track mowing progress, and even locate your mower in case of theft with the optional Access Plus feature. And with its quiet operation at just 58 decibels, it won't disturb your peace. Next up, the Mammotion LUBA 2AWD 5000H. This robust model is designed for larger lawns, handling up to 1.25 acres with ease. Its all-wheel drive and ability to tackle slopes up to 80% make it a standout choice for challenging terrains. The LUBA 2 features RTK-GNSS technology and a multi-sensor navigation system, eliminating the need for perimeter wires. With a cutting height range of 2.2 to 4 inches, it adapts to different grass types and lawn conditions. Plus, its 100% solar-powered RTK system promotes sustainability. Manage your lawn effortlessly through the Mammotion app, or integrate it with Amazon Alexa or Google Home for voice control. It also includes GPS theft protection, so you can track and secure your mower if it goes missing. The LawnMaster Akimo, a compact, perimeter wire-free robot mower designed for small lawns up to 2,000 square feet. Powered by optical navigation, it efficiently identifies grass, even in high-contrast lighting. Just drop it on your lawn, push the start button, and watch it go. No wires, no apps, no complicated setup, just smart mowing made easy. Equipped with 2 ultrasonic sensors, the LawnMaster Akimo detects and avoids objects as small as 6 inches. It even includes a 33-foot magnetic strip, letting you create no-go zones without digging or additional power sources. And don't worry about uneven terrain. With its deep tread wheels, this mower tackles slopes up to 35%, 19 degrees, for an even cut across your yard. The Husqvarna Automower 430XH is designed for medium to large yards, covering up to 0.8 acres. It features GPS-assisted navigation for accurate and efficient mowing. Equipped with a robust boundary wire system, it ensures reliable performance even in challenging areas with significant tree coverage. Its smart technology allows you to control scheduling, adjust settings, and track its location through your smartphone, Amazon Alexa, or Google Home. The Mower 430XH also includes GPS theft tracking, a built-in alarm system, and a PIN code lock for added security. It's weatherproof and handles narrow passages and steep slopes with ease. Last but not least, the Sunseeker X7. A wireless robotic mower built for medium to large yards, covering up to 0.75 acres with ease. Unlike the Lawn Master, the X7 connects to an intuitive smartphone app, allowing you to customize mowing schedules, track progress, and adjust cutting height, all from your phone. With its all-wheel drive, AWD system, and dual-blade floating design, the Sunseeker X7 handles rough terrain like a pro. And it's rain-ready. When bad weather hits, the mower automatically returns to its charging base, ensuring safety and durability. Need late-night mowing? The Silent Night mode keeps your lawn maintained without disturbing your peace. From compact models for small gardens to powerful machines for large, challenging lawns, these robotic mowers offer convenience, efficiency, and cutting-edge technology. Choose the one that fits your needs and enjoy a beautifully maintained lawn with minimal effort. Thanks for watching.